Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. Alright, so today we got the Razer Laptop Stand Chroma version 2 by gamers for gamers. So basically this is just a laptop stand. It can fit laptops up to 15 inches it says. I think it can go up to 17 from what the website was saying. So 13 inch, 15 inch, and 17 inches. It's just a stand that holds your laptop. So I usually have to stay in a corner sometimes where I'm at inside the closet where I keep my laptop in. It's just flat on a surface, and I kind of wanted a nice stand that can help me get me some extra USB ports and it works as like a hub. So I went ahead and purchased this. Paid about $120 on Amazon. So what we're doing here is just unboxing it. I'm just going to go through a couple of the settings. Really not much to it. It's just a really nice stand. Probably is a little expensive because it comes with the light and gives you the USB hub. But it's pretty cool, and I just want to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so you see you get the included sticker that Razer always gives out with most products. And I'm just kind of going through the manual here, seeing if there's anything. Like I said, there's not really much to it. So it's just letting us know what the back options are, which is the USB Type-C, the metal frame, the USB 3.2, USB 3.2 Type-A, HDMI port, Type-C power delivery port, just our serial number there, and just some of the other outputs available. Alright, so let's take a look at the laptop stand. We'll pull this plastic back, and wow, that feels great. See that? It's got some nice finished rubber there, really good to the touch. Alright, as you can see, we got our USB ports, USB-C, 2 USB-A's, HDMI, and our USB-C power through. So we'll talk more about that later, but let's just get the feel for it. The feel is 10 out of 10. Your laptop's gonna fit on here really. It's gonna grip it really well. At the bottom you have a type of rubber foam as well, so the other end of your laptop should stay nice and firm. Then at the bottom we have the USB-C connector and our serial number. This is the only thing that you need to plug into your laptop. And when you do that, that'll give you all the available ports will become active. Your USB-Cs, USB-A, your HDMI port all become active once you plug this in, which is really cool. So once again, you got your USB-C port, your 2 USB-As, your HDMI port, and your USB-C power pass-through. Now that port's only for power only, and I don't have the power pass-through charger, so I can't show you guys that today. But let's attach the laptop. Okay, to attach the laptop, you're just gonna simply place it right on top, put the back end on first, and then slide the front end to the edge. And you'll see it kind of holds it there. And another thing you want to do is just make sure you unravel the USB cord. You can go ahead and tuck that in however you would like, and just make sure you plug that into one of the available USB-C ports that's on your laptop. Okay, so we'll plug in just like so, and just like that you'll have all the options available on the USB hub. Now I'm actually going to plug in my power adapter as well. Like I said, I don't have the USB-C power pass-through adapter, which I probably will be buying now that I have the Razer laptop stand. Alright, so I got my laptop plugged in, and now you can see you have the power light on the bottom as well, which it looks really cool. And that light is customizable in the included Razer Synapse software. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. It's easier to type with. Cables are organized easier, and you get an additional USB port, so it's pretty cool. So far I like it, really sturdy. Okay, so now we're just going to attach a couple devices just to see if the USB ports work. And So I'm going to attach a mechanical keyboard to the back of the USB ports just to test and make sure that it works. Okay, we saw the light came on for a little bit, so that should be fine. And then I'm installing another USB-A hub. This connects my mouse and my wireless adapter as well. Alright, so the keyboard lit up, so we know the USB ports work. Alright, so I'm just going to put some specs here straight from the Razer website. So it just shows the inputs and outputs. USB-Cs, 2 USB-As, and 1 HDMI 2.0 output. These show you the display outputs below, so you can take a look at those. Definitely got a wide range there. And now we'll just take a look at some of the other specs. It's designed for laptops up to 17 inches. You get up to 80 watts via the USB-C and 65 watt input through the laptop power delivery system. Alright, so once again, I'm just going over the ports here. You got your USB-C, 2 USB-As, your HDMI output, which is really cool. This is one where you can just set this thing on a stand and plug it into 2 monitors or 1 without needing to use the direct connection on your laptop that's on the right there. It's much easier to use the one on the back. It's just easier to get to. And then we have our USB-C power pass-through, which is really cool. So you'll be able to just use a USB-C cable that attaches to a power brick and plug in directly through that port there, and that'll power your laptop. So it's really cool, really nice. Okay, so that's pretty much it there. I'm gonna move this over to my dungeon in the closet, and I'll show you guys what it looks like right over there. Okay, now welcome to my dungeon. This is pretty much the only place in the house I'm allowed to be. Alright, so there it is, everybody. There's the stand. Not much more to talk about. Just wanted to give you guys a visual on how it looks, and I'll give it a 10 out of 10. I really do like it. With that said, once again, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.